for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2019 F-350 Lariat in agate black with black leather interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and an 8-foot box. This has a 6.2-liter V8 engine. It's a 4x4, and it also has a snow plow package as well as a trailer tow package. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. You also have power extending mirrors, as well as power folding, and you have memory for 3 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. You have your power tailgate, power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights. There's a grab handle in the body, and as well you have power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. On the face of the steering wheel, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. This is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and I'm going to push the engine start button. On your dash, you're going to see any important messages, as well as a menu that you can toggle through. So we start off with My View, then Trip Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, Settings, and these all have sub-menus. On your automatic select shifter, on the end you can press for tow haul. It'll appear to the left of the odometer reading, and then off again. In the center, you're seeing a little bin, as well as the badging for the B&O Premium Audio System. Your traction control, hazard lights, and you're seeing your screen there that is also a touch screen. You're also going to see your backup camera view there. You've got your navigation. You're seeing a heated steering wheel for your climate. And when you go in there, you have dual climate control. And then when you go into audio, you're going to see your sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, Bluetooth. And then you can go back into your settings, or even just go home to the main choices there, and there you're seeing the map for navigation. And when you go into settings, you can slide through for Apple CarPlay, Wi-Fi hotspot, and other options. Down below is your volume and tuner for your media, and then you also have your climate control. So you have dual climate control, so you can touch on the screen, or you can also do it here with the dials. And you've got heated and cooled seats for both driver and passenger, as well as AC and max AC, and front and rear defrost. And down below, you've got USB and 12 volt. Off to the side, 4x4 with locking differential and integrated trailer brake controller. In the center, you've got an armrest with a couple of cup holders, and then more storage in here. And then you can flip this up. You've got another seat. It's got a seat belt unclip underneath, and you've got more storage. You can flip out those cup holders. Off to the side, you have a 12 volt and a 110. There's 2 glove compartments, the lower one being locking. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and this allows you to power that back window and slide it right open. And you also have a universal garage door opener. And in the body on the passenger side, you have a grab handle, and this makes it easier to get in. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, chrome and magnetic cab step, body colored door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the key fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. As well, you've got a keyless entry keypad, driver's side fuel cap. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera is just above that handle, and you have backup sensors on your bumper. You also have a 4- and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and locking spare tire. When you want to open up that tailgate, you can do so from inside, or you can double click your fob. It powers it open for you. And inside, you see in this nice big box, there's tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. You also have a tailgate step. And on your fob, you have remote start and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. And you have that nice wood grain detail in the door as well. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily pull the tab, and then you can lift up the seat, and it's in the upright position. On the floor, there's a lockable, collapsible bin. I've got it down right now, but you can pop that up and put items in there. And then to bring the seat back down, simply pull the clip again, and down it goes. At the base, you have anchors to be able to tether baby seats, and in the center, an armrest with a couple of cup holders. On the floor, you've got an all-weather mat that goes from one side to the other, and there's extra carpeted mats there as well. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center, a couple of cup holders and a 12 volt. In the body, there's a grab handle. Up above, hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a power sliding window. Bumper, mud flaps, 8-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors that are power scope, telescoping, trailer tow mirrors, quad beam headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.